Let's learn how to use a production scheduler in the gear manufacturing industry to successfully meet various challenges, such as shortening production lead time and reducing inventories. Gears are important parts that are used in all kinds of industries. Besides familiar products such as cars, they are used also in agricultural machinery and industrial machinery such as tillers and forklifts. The production of gears involves three main processes, namely the cutting process to make the intermeshing teeth of the gear, the heating process to increase gear strength, and the grinding process to increase gear accuracy. However, gears come in various shapes according to the application, and the processes that are required differ depending on the type of gear that is ordered. Therefore, gear manufacturers struggle with the fact that processes with high load concentration, in other words, processes that cause bottlenecks, vary according to the order situation. Gear manufacturers must create schedules by dealing with this issue, as well as taking into consideration the equipment constraints of each process. However, it is extremely difficult for humans to quickly create such schedules manually. As delivery delays must be avoided, gear manufacturers have no choice but to accept only orders with ample delivery time. However, this causes lost order opportunities. You can solve these problems by using a scheduler. Scheduling can be automated by registering a master data set, orders, and results. Scheduling can be done quickly as a result. As this scheduling is based on master data, feasible planning can be achieved. This scheduling allows you to respond to customers with appropriate delivery times, leading to increased orders. Here, we will introduce three major points that have to do with master registration, scheduling, and gear manufacturing. One is about grasping bottlenecks and utilization methods. With regard to equipment constraints, we will introduce the scheduling method for the heating process and the scheduling method limiting the number of workers. Lastly, we will introduce procedures that are required for the scheduling cycle, namely reflecting the results and adding orders.